How to add Amazon affiliate link to Linktree. So in this video, we'll discuss how you can actually add your Amazon affiliate link to Linktree. So Linktree is a bio tool. So for this case, first thing we need to do is to head over and then claim your Linktree option. In my case, I'll input right here my own URL and click on this claim your Linktree. Now, once you have done this, you will be prompted to the next page wherein you need to log in or sign up if you already have an account or if not. I'll head over and then sign up using my Google. Once you have signed up, enter in here again the username that you want. And then from in there, click on continue. If it's available, you can see this green option right here. Now, this will actually prompt you for the registration page wherein you just need to input some more information. You can describe right here which are you. I'll just choose personal, and we have in here a trial. You can also skip that if you want. Now in here you can also find the plan. I'll just choose the free plan for now. Now you also have the option to select your template. I'll choose this and click onto this start. And then you can choose the platforms that you're in. So you can have some options. I'll head over and skip this. And in this, it will ask for your link. So I just input right here the link that we have and click on continue. Now this will find your content and this will load for a little bit. And once you're done, you can click on the discontinue option and just input your bio, your name, your profile picture. And once you're done, you can continue building your link tree. But this is what it looks like for now. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.